Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can get back the missing Safari browser on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to this channel, put your likes, and also don't forget to write your comments after watching the video. And let's get down to our topic. And if you can't find Safari on your iPhone on your work screens, then the most effective method is to swipe from the top to the bottom. So that you get a search box like this and type the word Safari into the search box. And as you can see, it may show up here. But if the Safari app still doesn't show up, then there is one more method. For this, you will need to go to your phone's settings. Next, scroll down a little bit and go to Screen Time. After that, also scroll down and find the section called Content and Privacy Restriction and go to that. And this is where you'll find Allow App. And as you can see, Safari is not active. So that means that Safari is not showing on your iPhone's work screen, and you'll just need to turn it on. If you have a passcode, you'll need to have it on your phone, either through Face ID. Once you activate Safari in this section, you can find it. Again, through the search bar, type in the word Safari, and you will get this app. And next you can click on it. In order to put it on your desktop screen, you'll need to click Add to Home Screen, and then Safari will be added. That's how you can get back the missing Safari browser on your iPhone, folks. I really hope this video was useful for you and helped you. Please friends, put your likes, write your comments, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and see you soon.